Interlocking Panels and Posts, How-To Sheet number 230. The Courtyard collection lets you build both wall panels and posts. For added stability on walls over 5 courses high, interlock the walls and posts together. This requires a 3-step process: building a post, building a wall off the post, and interlocking the wall and post together. Now let's use corner blocks to begin your post. Corner blocks have a long side and a short side. The long sides are always placed on the outside of the post. Start the post by placing the corner blocks as shown. Once the blocks are in place, align them with a square. On the second course, place the corner blocks so that they overlap the 2 blocks beneath them. This pattern will offset the vertical seams between the courses. Continue stacking a total of 5 courses, alternating the pattern on each course. Now begin the wall panel. On every other course of the wall, you will always use a Dublin center split block. On alternate courses, you can use either a Dublin end split block or a York center split block. See How-To Sheet number 190 for more information on building with panels and posts. Begin the wall by splitting a Dublin center split block. See How-To Sheet number 210 for more information on splitting blocks. Place one piece of the Dublin center split block so that it is centered on the post, and set the other half aside for the end of this course. Then place the next base course block. Begin the second course by splitting a Dublin end split block. Place one piece with the split side against the post, and set the other piece aside for the end of the second course. Always build the first 2 courses at the same time to ensure the blocks line up properly. Continue building a total of 5 courses, alternating the pattern on every other course. Now let's interlock the wall and post. Interlock the wall and post together with a corner block. Place the end against the first raised ring of the wall. Continue the pattern of your post by adding 4 more corner blocks, cutting the last one to fit. To cut a corner block, you will either need a skill saw with a masonry blade or a chop saw with a diamond blade. When cutting the corner block, first measure the block and mark it on all 4 sides. Then score the line with a skill saw. Using a hammer and chisel, strike along the score line. Then flip the block over and continue striking the score line, working your way around the block until it splits. Place the cut corner piece on the post to complete the 6th course. Now remove the interlocking pieces so that you can secure them in place with masonry adhesive. Place a bead of adhesive under the interlocked block and around the outside edge of the post. Once the adhesive is in place, return the blocks to their original position. Then add the top course of the wall. Next, add another bead of adhesive around the outer edge of the post. Then add another course to complete your post. Now you're ready to finish with post caps and wall caps. Once all the post and wall caps are in place, you can choose to secure them with a bead of masonry adhesive. We recommend placing a bead of adhesive along both sides of the raised rings and between the wall caps. This will increase the wall's strength and prevent the caps from being moved out of position. Now you can interlock walls and posts to complement the design and style of your project. For a complete library of Courtyard how-to sheets, visit us at allanblock.com.